welcome with another Grammarly video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can install Grammarly on your Google Chrome. You will be able to add an extension on Google Chrome, and then you'll be able to correct your sentences while typing. So what you're gonna do is type Grammarly on your search bar, and it's gonna take you to Grammarly official site. Click on Grammarly official site, and there you are. Just a minute. Yes, so click on Grammarly official site. It's loading, and there you go. There is a green button saying add to Chrome. It's free, so if you click on it, there will be a dialog box open. Click on add extension, and now there you go. So you can see a green button, a green G button, a G written on there. So that's Grammarly extension. So if you open an online notepad, or if you try to write something online, you can see, let me show you how it does. So if I write here, there you go. It underlines the mistake and then gives you proper guidance what you need to do. So here I'm going to click on it, and there it is again. So whenever you're writing it, it's going to underline it, and by clicking on it, by doing a right click, you can correct your sentence. There you go. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for all of these videos.